Today we'll talk about how can you use YesStyle on your YesStyle app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So when you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. Here you will find your credit. So in here, then here you will find your coupons. If you have it here, can you just copy it in this list here? So then you get your coupons here. So in here you will find your points. So then here you find your orders. In this list here you will find all orders you have. And here can you get your premium in this list. Can you get your premium here on your YesStyle app. So then here can you manage your account, just click on account. Then here if you want to close your account here, so then here can you sign out in this list. And here can you manage your email subscriptions. If you want to here disable or enable here email subscriptions, can you manage it in this list. Here can you change your email language. So then here just click on this side, and here can you select here your shipping destination here, and here your currency and your language. So then here can you if you want to enable here special offer notifications or disable it, and here order related notifications if you want to enable it or disable it here. So then when you go down here can you sign out, and here in down you find your saved list. In this list here it's going to show for you like this, and here your bag you will find here all things in your bag here. And in this list here shop can you find here all categories you want to shop in this list here. So when you click here on home, it's going to take you to this list, and here can you select any item you want to save or add to bag. So you just switch into shop for you like this. Here can you save this item, and here can you add it to your bag. So when you just in how can you pay it, you just click on add to bag, and you select here size or color. Then you click again to your bag here, and when you click on your bag, so then it's going to take you to this list. You go down here, click here on continue. So then it's going to take you to pay this item. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.